What's the intro? We already know what you're here for. Hi guys, so as you read by the title, you already know what's going I'm sick. I'm just gonna be going through my comments on Instagram and I'm just gonna be reacting to people who follow me. I'm gonna try to mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna try to get some new followers or followers that I haven't really seen much in my comments, as well as like some OG but still relatively active followers. I'm gonna try to add some variety, but I already know it's gonna be a large portion of y'all who A, are private, or B, you don't have clear enough pictures for me to properly see your hair. So if that's you, I'm not mad at you, I'm just not gonna react to you. I came for the hair, where's it at? If you guys want me to get back into doing more subscriber hair reaction videos, then just make sure that you click the like button and comment below. Make sure that you also follow me on IG so that you'll know when I'm basically going to be doing these videos. And yeah, so let's just see how many of y'all who watch my videos are still nappy headed or not, because I'm going to be pulling everything up on my laptop today just so I can see everything like bigger and clearer. So let's get into it. Alright. Okay, so I know some of y'all are probably going to be like, there is nothing special about this, but for me, listen, I'm just living for the bun, okay? I'm actually partially jealous because I kind of can't do hairstyles like this at the moment because what the fuck? Oh, he actually has another one with the headband, and that just gave me a really good idea. So I'm stealing this look. Nevertheless, I really like the hairstyle. He has other hairstyles on his page, but I'm really feeling the bun the most. Okay, so this is one of my personal favorite followers. I'm being just a little biased. I mean, come on. Y'all may not know him, but I will try to leave like pictures of his hair from a few years ago so you guys can see like the growth because it's inspiring. We have no choice but to stand. What's going on? I'm a little confused. I just don't like your hair in this picture. Okay, like, hold on. I'm sorry, like, it looks good in this picture. Like, the color looks really good. I just don't know what happened in that first picture. Where are the curls at? Nevertheless, you have a really good grain of hair, but the first picture, I just don't know. Oh my freaking gosh. Yeah, I'm trying not to cuss that much, but it's really hard, okay? His hair, honestly, it looks perfect. Like, I mean, I don't really know what's going on with the sides. Is this how y'all feel when y'all personally watch my videos? I'm just gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. I'm thinking he's probably just going on his undercut like me, so it's whatever. I'll let it slide. But y'all, the curls are glistening, okay? Like, this shit looks so good. It looks damn near perfect. And I'm proud for you. It's not even my hair, and I'm proud, okay? Marlon, cut it off and send it to me. I just need a few inches because this shit ain't fair, okay? For real, Marlon probably has one of the best hair shapes that I've seen on a guy here on YouTube. This is just my personal opinion, but I really do like Marlon's hair. Wow, okay, the hair. Let's talk about it. The texture, the shape, the length. Where's the channel? Because bitch, we're waiting. I really like the tied scarf look in this picture. I may have to try that to hide my dusty ass undercut, but whatever. This is definitely one of my favorite pictures, and actually I really love everything about your hair, and it might be today's thumbnail, so I really like your hair. Like, this is probably my favorite so far. Okay, so next we have my boy Isaiah. Like, I know his hair, and like, I think his name is Kadeem. The hair looks a little similar as far as like shape, but can we take a moment? He has like hella hairstyles on his Instagram actually, which I will leave. Everyone's Instagram will be linked somewhere on the screen. Well, not linked, but their handle will be on the screen somewhere, so you guys can, you know, feel free to check any of these people out. One of the main reasons why I followed him was because of his hair and how it looked in a wash and go state, as well as the blowouts. Like, y'all, his blowouts always be looking good as fuck. Okay, so this isn't his most recent post, but this caught my eye because I was trying. Pause. Timeout. I'm done. As far as this style, like, I really like the style, just not the colors. Like, it's too many. Or maybe I'm just really boring. I don't know. He has a really silky hair texture though, as I will leave like this other video here on the screen. But yeah, he has like nice ass hair. I really like the hairstyle. It's just I don't know about all them colors in the first particular picture. Okay, so I really like this color. Also, she has another picture up. Look at the individual curls. Like, they actually look really good considering the color, and you know what all she had to put her hair through to get the color. So I'm very impressed. I wish she had more close-ups of her hair though, because she's a type 4 natural, so the curls are much more like individual and tiny. So we want to see texture shots, okay? Post your texture shot and tag me in it. Okay, y'all. I'm just gonna put hella pictures on the screen and y'all can clearly see the improvement of his hair in each picture. Like, the color damage looks damn near non-existent in his most recent picture. Even the color looks really good. Like, he has a really nice hair texture. I really wish people would transition into more healthy hairstyles versus a really vibrant or bright color with no curl pattern. That's just how I feel about hair colors at this point. Okay, so this first hairstyle is doing it for me. I feel like I've reacted to other people with hairstyles similar to this. There's just something about the cornrow puff combination. It just does it for me. He has other pictures. Let me see. Yeah, he has other pictures with other styles, and actually they all look really nice. It's just this one is doing it for me. This is what caught my eye, and this is his most recent picture, so yeah, it's definitely one of my personal favorites. Okay, so this style is actually fire as fuck. So he has triangle parts, but the hair itself is actually 2-strand twists, and these are like some juicy 2-strand twists, okay? I'm just trying to figure out why you only have one post with this hairstyle. It's a fire ass hairstyle. Take more pictures, because I want to see all the details, okay? Bruh, this nigga is serving looks that I never asked for. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see the design? Like, when y'all get a chance, please check out his page, because there is so much versatility in a lot of his hairstyles. Like, literally every other picture, it's a new hairstyle, it's a new design. Like, deadass, this is clean as hell. And it looks like he has a channel too, so I'm trying to figure out why haven't I ever seen him on YouTube. I'm definitely gonna be saving a few of these for reference. Okay, so this last one here, I'm being just a little biased. I have a thing for big type 4 hair. Like, it looks immaculate on everyone else except me. That's just how I feel. But can y'all just grasp how much hair is on his head? I'm sorry, this just looks good as hell to me. Like, I just reached this state where I just feel like super defined and controlled wash and goes or hairstyles are just so... they're kind of boring to me. I like hair with some character, okay? And this looks really good. When I first saw this, my fucking mouth opened, like my jaw dropped. Yeah, I'm going through a lot of my comments, and some of y'all I recognize, like, some of y'all are like actual active followers, but y'all's accounts are private. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I hope I was able to get enough people in this video. I think maybe it was like 13, 14, maybe even 15. Bitch, I stopped counting, so I don't know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you want me to do more subscriber hair reaction videos, once again, comment down below. For my next reaction video, I'll try to do somewhere in between like 20, 25, and 30. So maybe as this continues for the year, I'll add more and more people into the reaction videos. I just don't want to make them too long. Of course, it also depends on how many of y'all actually do different hairstyles, because a lot of y'all had like really nice hair textures and your hair looked really good. It's just a lot of the hairstyles that kind of look the same. Like, you had a little temp fade and hair that stopped at the eyebrows, which, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but I want more versatility to react to. You know, I want to add more variety, because I know you guys want to see variety. So comment down below and tell me which one was your personal favorite. A lot of y'all had some really good hairstyles. So proud. Y'all actually watch my videos and y'all learn and y'all listen and y'all use my tips. Okay, let me shut up. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to watch another video. I will have two, you know, on the screen. So help yourself anytime now.